Welcome. Let's make some bread machine banana bread. It is delish. First, we're going to add in some flour, add in some salt, baking powder, baking soda, sugar, vegetable oil, eggs, vanilla extract, sour cream. Close it up, and we're going to go ahead and put it on the cake cycle. About 5 minutes into mixing, you can pause the machine, scrape down the sides, add in your bananas and your pecans. Go ahead and allow the machine to resume baking. And then there we have it. Absolutely delicious homemade banana bread made so easily in our bread machine. I hope you love this recipe. Give me a like if you do, and I would love if you come back and see me again. Thanks, everyone.